Hi friends, I'm Stephanie Hansen from stephaniesdish.com, and it is a new year where we're all feeling healthy, right? So I'm gonna teach you how to make a super delicious kale salad. It has a sesame dressing, and it's got what I'm gonna call a seed crumble. So first we're gonna prepare our kale. You can eat these stems, and sometimes I do, but in a salad, that we're gonna be massaging and trying to break the cell wall of the kale leaves, I don't love it. So I will put these in my stock bag, or, come here, Stanley. A little tip, dogs love kale. There you go, Stanley. He will sit right by me as I prepare this kale because he loves the kale stems. When I'm in the garden, he will eat them. So kale is obviously super nutritious. I'm using 2 bunches of lacinato kale, and this is going to give us enough salad for about 6 people as a side, maybe 4 as a main. You could add salmon to this salad, you could add chicken, or you could just go complete vegetarian with it. Any way you feel. So once we get this all prepared, we're going to make a sesame dressing that's real easy, real fresh and light. And then we're gonna make what I call a seed crumble. And a seed crumble has seeds, sometimes breadcrumbs, sometimes nutritional yeast, sometimes cheese. It's basically just to give us some crispy bits to put on our salad to give it some texture and really make it super delicious. All right, we are down to, oh, here comes our friend again. Would you like another piece? It's like, yes, I would. Okay, so I've got my kale. Basically, I'm just kind of tucking and rolling, and I'm gonna cut it into slivers. When you deal with kale, it's very tough. It has a thick, fibrous feeling, but when you break that down by massaging it with an acid like lemon juice or a vinaigrette, it softens up. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in our bowl. I've got pretty much everything cut here. And again, this is 2 batches. And then we're gonna move on to our dressing, and then I'm gonna make the crumble for you. For our dressing, I'm going to microplane 2 cloves of garlic. And the reason I microplane them is because I don't want any hunks. I just want the flavor of the garlic in the dressing. All right. I'm the author of the True North Cabin Cookbook, Volume 1 and 2, on sale now, and I microplane a lot. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, and I've got some lemon juice. I'm gonna juice both halves of the lemon. Normally when I'm using lemon, I zest it too. But in this treatment, I'm not going to, because I'm looking for more of a sesame flavor than a lemony type Caesar flavor. So I'm gonna skip the zest this time out. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and I've got my little baby whisk here. I'm just gonna whisk this together. And this is our dressing, is to get your hands in there and rub it down with the dressing. So just tossing and kind of squeezing, running it through your fingers a little bit. By doing this step, we are breaking down the cell wall. We're also mixing the dressing in. I'm just gonna make sure that I get this all run through here. Makes it glossy, makes it pretty. I've got some green onions that I set aside. I'm gonna go ahead and add those now. And I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the crumble. I'm gonna add my olive oil. I'm gonna add breadcrumbs, and I've got black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and I'm gonna finish with a little Togarashi seasoning. And all I'm gonna do is get this so that it's crisped up. Togarashi seasoning is a great seasoning to use on salmon, in rice. It is made with seaweed and some other spices. It's got kind of a earthy, garlicky, umami flavor to it. And it's gonna be really delicious flavoring this crumble for the salad. You're waiting for a nutty smell. You could use panko. I happen to use some breadcrumbs that I had on hand, but you could use panko too. Things start to pop. A little sprinkle of salt, some pepper, and then we'll finish with the togarashi when we're done. It's starting to smoke a little bit, which means that things are toasty. I'm just using the external heat, making sure I'm stirring a lot so nothing's burning. But it's finished. All right, so I've got my kale all massaged. I'm gonna add my togarashi seasoning to my crumble. And I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this over my salad. Yum, I can smell the togarashi activating with the heat of the seeds and the breadcrumbs. And obviously kale has a ton of fiber. You could add protein by adding meat or even roasted chickpeas. So if you're looking for this recipe, you can find it at stephaniesdish.com. It is the kale salad with the sesame crumble, and I hope you give it a try. It's really delicious and not very hard to make. Follow me at stephaniesdish.com. Thanks, friends.